Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss UX design, which stands for user experience design. UX focus on how users interact with a product, how they are feeling during the process, and how easy or satisfying the experience is. And we will explore what UX design really means, why it matters, and look at both good and bad examples. So let's start with the basic. Yo, could you explain what UX design involves?
Of course, UX design is about creating products are useful, usable, and enjoyable. When we talk about UX, we not only talk about visual design but also information articulate, research, interaction design, usability, and accessibility. Good UX means user can complete tasks quickly, easily, and without friction. For example, when you order food through an app and everything is clear, button, delivery step, and payment option, that a good UX is extremely important for business because if the experiment is confusing or slow, user will leave immediately. On the other hand, a great user experiment increase loyalty and conversation. A simple example is Shopee or Lazada. They constantly improve their app flows like showing recommendation, quick checkout, and clear return policies. Those are all part of UX to keep customer engaged. So, Kit, how do you think about this?
Let's look at some well-known example of excellence UX design. First example, the product are famous for intuitive design. For example, setting up a new iPhone takes only a few minutes because the system guide users step by step. Even people who are not tech savvy can use it easily, and that's the core of good UX. Another example is Google Search. The interface is extremely simple, just a search bar, not distraction. The simplicity make it fast and user-friendly. A third example is Grab. The app shows the driver's location in real time, provide estimates fare, and give tier option like motorbike, car, or delivery. This reduce user uncertainty, which is a key UX principle. We can also mention Spotify. Spotify it uses smart recommendation, clean navigation, and personalized playlists. This feature make users feel and understand their preferences with enhanced emotional experience. All of this shows that thoughtful design can make digital product feel smooth and natural.
Now let's talk about bad UX and what typically goes wrong. A classic example is website with too many pop-up app notification and banners covering the screen. Users become overwhelmed and often leave. Another example is confusing navigation. Some supermarket apps in Vietnam used to have many menu under multiple layers. Users couldn't find simple features like searching for products or tracking orders. Another example is when apps require users to create an account before they can even export anything. This creates friction. Good UX usually allow users to try the service first and finally slow loading speed is a huge issue. If a page takes more than 3 seconds to land, most users drop off. The example shows that even if the product is good, poor UX design can ruin the experience.
To wrap up our discussions, we can clearly see that UX design plays a crucial role in how people interact with digital product today. It's not just about making something look good, but about ensuring that every step from navigations to interactions feels natural or effortless for the user. Good UX enhance customer satisfaction, increase trust, and even boost business performance. As we saw in example like Apple, Grab, Spotify on business. On the other hand, poor UX can lead to frustrations, abandoned app, or lost opportunities. Uh, what we learned is that effective UX design requires understanding real user behavior, simplifying complex tasks, and constantly improve based on feedback. Overall, UX design is a power tool that shape how we experience technology, and companies that invest in it are the ones that stay competitive in today's digital world. And thank you all for listening.